Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to equip your guild badge on Discord. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So if you have already joined a server that provides the guild for you, or you have created your own server and then enabled the guild tag in it, all you have to do is you're going to go to the server itself and double make sure that you selected the one with the providing good guild. So for example, if you chose the one with the heart, then make sure that you actually want the heart, or you can just join whatever server that has the one that you need. And then from here, you're going to go to the user settings, and then we're going to go to edit user profile. And then from here, you're going to scroll down until you see the server tag. And then from here, you can select whichever tag you might want from whatever server you have joined. And you can join multiple servers and have the guild tags ready for you to switch between whenever you want. And then finally click on save changes, and that will let it be there. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.